Welcome to today's financial update for September 10th, 2025. We've selected key highlights from the world of business to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines. Apple recently unveiled its new iPhone 17 series, but disappointed investors with a lack of surprises. According to Investors Business Daily, this led to a notable slide in Apple's stock. The anticipation surrounding tech giant events often impacts their market valuation, and this instance was no different. Forbes has just released its 2025 list of the wealthiest Americans, once again naming Elon Musk as the richest individual in the United States. The Tesla and SpaceX leader maintains his top position in a year that's continued to favor innovation and tech, as reported by Mint. In a positive turn for consumers, gasoline prices in America are projected to hit a two-decade low in terms of their impact on disposable personal income. Politico highlights the Energy Information Administration's report, forecasting a significant relief for drivers, a welcome development amid broader economic challenges. Yet, the financial landscape remains rocky for many households. The Washington Post notes that most American household incomes plateaued last year due to inflation counteracting any potential gains. This stagnation highlights the ongoing financial pressures in everyday life, despite isolated pockets of economic growth. Transitioning to labor market news, a profound revision suggests U.S. employers added nearly 911,000 fewer jobs than initially reported. According to the Washington Post, this revelation introduces further uncertainty into the economic outlook, adding weight to concerns about sustained growth. In the corporate arena, Oracle has raised its annual forecast for cloud infrastructure revenue as reported by Yahoo Finance. The tech company's shares jumped in response to growing customer demand and an optimistic outlook on future bookings. Meanwhile, the gender pay gap is unfortunately widening. Axios points out that in 2024, women earned only 81% of what their male counterparts made, a reversal of previous progress. This issue underscores the ongoing challenges faced in achieving workplace equality. On a brighter note, United Health Group saw a significant rise in stock value following strong Medicare Advantage results. According to Investopedia, the company emerged as a top performer in both the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Illustrating the healthcare sector's vitality amid broader market fluctuations. Ramp, a fintech startup, has reported an impressive milestone of $1 billion in annualized revenue. TechCrunch attributes this achievement to heightened investor confidence and a robust market presence, marking a significant moment for the growing company. Shifting to an unusual settlement case, a judge has expressed criticism over Anthropic's $1.5 billion settlement, noting it seems forcibly imposed on authors. Ars Technica reports on the legal community's scrutiny of such massive settlements and their implications. There's also news from the restaurant industry, where Cracker Barrel has canceled its remodeling plans following conservative backlash. NBC News highlights the company's strategic decision in response to consumer sentiment, reflecting the complex dynamics businesses face today. In a move signaling change, Microsoft has ordered employees back to the office 3 days a week. Bloomberg.com reports that the tech giant believes in-person collaboration fosters innovation and team synergy, a sentiment echoed by many as the corporate world adjusts post-pandemic. AT&T has seen a rebound in its stock following a strategic deal with EchoStar and SpaceX, as covered by Barron's. The anticipated 10% share jump reflects investor confidence in this partnership's potential to enhance telecommunication services. In political finance news, a prominent Republican donor has broken ranks with Wall Street, expressing a public rebuke of former President Trump the Times reports. This divergence within traditionally aligned circles highlights the shifting tides in political and financial alliances. Finally, Robinhood Markets continues its upward trajectory with a positive evaluation from Bernstein. TipRank suggests there is potential for further gains, driven by strategic business moves and a growing user base. As we wrap up today's update, remember the financial landscape is ever evolving with stories of innovation, market shifts, and economic realities shaping the narrative. Stay informed and prepared as you navigate these changes. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next update.